Hey guys, so we have been talking about cooking and the different ways we make our food and make our food taste better. Well, there's nothing better after a nice, hot, delicious dinner than a dessert. And one of my favorite desserts is ice cream. But sometimes we're all out of ice cream from the store. Well, there's not a problem there, guys, because we can make our own ice cream. What do you say? How does that sound? All we need is half and half. We need some vanilla. We need some sugar. And then we need salt and some ice. The salt's not going to go into our ice cream, but we need it, and I'll show you why. So the first thing I'll do is I have a little plastic bag, and I'm just gonna open it up nice and big. And I'm gonna start with the dry stuff first because it'll be easier to handle. I need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay? And I need half a tablespoon of vanilla. It's just a little bit. Oops, a little bit more than I needed, but that's okay. And I'll cover that back. And then I need to have 2 cups of half and half. Hopefully I have enough in here. That's 1. And I hope we have enough for our second cup. We only have a cup and a half. That's okay. I just won't have a lot of ice cream, and it's gonna be a little sweet, but it's okay. I'll just pour that into my bag. I'll get that out of the way. And now the important part is we have to close this thing very, very tightly. We don't want to have any air. Oh, I need to get all the air out too. Hold on. Need to make sure I get most of the air out. Okay. I want to make sure it's closed nice and tight because we're going to shake it. Okay, so I think that it should be closed wonderfully. Okay. Just want to be sure. I do not want to make a mess. Now, I'm gonna put some salt into my ice because the salt will let the ice be even colder than it normally is. Whoops, I spilled some salt. That's bad luck. Oh no. Throw it over your shoulder. Now, I'm gonna mix that up. I want to make sure I have enough, so I'm actually going to put a little bit more. Just want to mix that up. All right, and then I'm going to put my bag with my mixture in it into my ice. And I'll close the bag. And now here comes the fun part, guys. You gotta just shake it. You gotta shake it really nice and good. And we're gonna shake it for a couple of minutes, okay, guys? Shake, 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 shake. Hold on, guys. I don't need to make you watch me shake. Be right back. Now let's see how our ice cream looks after a few minutes of shaking. Oh, see, a lot of my water melted. My ice melted into water because some of the heat from the milk went into it. But look, guys, see how it's so hard? it's not a liquid anymore. It's more like a solid. So let's open it. Ho, ho, ho. Hold on a second, guys. Now look, I can scoop it out just like ice cream. What do you guys think? That turned out good. And you guys can add stuff to it, like cookie dough or chocolate chips. But I just made plain old vanilla ice cream. I better not eat it all, or Jessica's gonna get mad at me. Well, I hope you guys like that activity. And I gotta put this ice cream in the freezer so I can share some with Jessica. But I thought this was a nice, fun activity that you guys could do pretty much by yourselves. So there I go. Yummy. I think I did a pretty good job. Uh-oh, brain freeze. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're able to make your own ice cream, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.